4. A potent anti-inflammatory. Relieve pain with each cup. Inflammation is at the heart of many health problems, but there is a natural way to put out the fires. Onion tea. Onion tea, which is abundant in cysteine and other anti-inflammatory components, offers a soothing respite to individuals suffering from asthma and arthritis. In this section, we will explore how making onion tea a regular part of your routine might help alleviate inflammation-related pain and symptoms. 5. Onion tea's cleansing effects, a natural way to detoxify. If you want to be healthy all around, you need to detoxify your body, and one powerful tool for that is onion tea. In this chapter, we will go over the advantages of regularly consuming sulfur-containing substances and how they help the body eliminate pollutants. Find out firsthand how onion tea can aid in the elimination of toxins and the promotion of a healthier, more streamlined system. 6. Less difficulty breathing. The respiratory advantages of onion tea. Onion tea provides relief for people with respiratory problems.